Wonder, pages 271 to 272. The Emperor's Guard. We backtracked through the grass for a good 10 minutes to see if we could find any of my hearing aids, but it was way too dark to see anything. We literally had to hold on to each other's shirts, walking single file so we didn't trip over one another. It was like black ink had been poured all around. "This is hopeless," said Henry. "They could be anywhere." "Maybe we can come back with a flashlight," answered Amos. "No, it's okay," I said. "Let's just go back." "Thanks, though." We walked back towards the cornfields, then cut through them until the back of the giant screen came into view. Since it was facing away from us, we didn't get any of the light from the screen at all until we'd walked around the edge of the woods again. That's when we finally started seeing a little light. There was no sign of the 7th graders anywhere. "Where do you think they went?" said Jack. "Back to the food truck," said Amos. "They're probably thinking we're going to report them." "Are we?" asked Henry. They looked at me. I shook my head. "Okay," said Amos. "But little dude, don't walk around here alone again, okay? If you need to go somewhere, tell us and we'll go with you." "Okay," I nodded. As we got closer to the screen, I could hear high on a hill was a lonely goatherd, and could smell the cotton candy from one of the concession stands near the food trucks. There were lots of kids milling around the area, so I pulled what I had left of my hoodie over my head and kept my face down, hands in my pockets, as we made our way through the crowd. It had been a long time since I'd been out without my hearing aids, and it felt like I was miles under the earth. It felt like that song Miranda used to sing to me. "Ground control to Major Tom. Your circuit's dead. There's something wrong." I did notice as I walked that Amos stayed right next to me, and Jack was close to the other side of me, and Miles was in front of us, and Henry was in back of us. They were surrounding me as we walked through the crowd of kids, like I had my own Emperor's Guard.